is Southern Tennessee Mom. A big shout out from Tennessee. Today we're going to make something that's a little bit unusual. I've got these tin cans here. These had tomato sauce in it. On my last video, I made homemade spaghetti sauce, and this was the spaghetti, not spaghetti sauce, but the tomato sauce. So I just rinsed the cans out and took the label off. I'm not going to worry about cleaning that up because we're going to cover it up. You're not going to be able to tell it, so it's not going to hurt anything. But if there's any loose paper, I will pull it off. But I have these right here. These are something I found at Dollar Tree, and they are wonderful. I never would have thought Dollar Tree would have carried this. But it's by Main Street Wall Creations, Peel and Stick removable tile decal. And look at that. And they're made in the USA. Huh, who knew? But anyhow, they are beautiful. And these have a silver metallic sheen to them, and I really like that. So I have cut up 3 here, and I've got 4 cans. I think it's going to take 1 per can. So I've got to cut up the 4th can here in just a second. But you're going to need a glue gun and some glue sticks, of course. And then I've got this Rust-Oleum bright coat metallic finish. And I know this is already a tin can, so it's already like, it's kind of a gold interior inside, if you can see that. So I want it to be more silver. So I've got this here, and it might take a couple coats. We're going to take it outside and spray it, and I'll let you know how many coats it takes. But I am excited about this color. I really like this. Okay, I've already cut up the 4th one, but let me show you what I done. I just cut right along the white grout line, and I just cut right along that white grout line on all of them, all the way up. And so this is what you have left on all of them. So. And I don't know, I've got 3 more there, but I'm not sure if we're going to use those. I don't think we'll have to. I got to go outside and see if our cans are done. Okay, they dried really quick. And as you can see, it is a good silver color now. And it only took 1 good coat. Just make sure you go well all the way around, the can. And so now we're going to get started. You just want to make sure like I said, I already washed these cans. Just going to pull off any loose paper that there is. Alright, I'm going to start with this one. And it is peels off. And let's go right up to the rim and lay it all the way around. Just like that. And so it didn't go all the way around, so we're going to have to put another piece there. So I have another skinny one here. And since this ended with brown, since this one ended with brown, I'm going to start off with the silver. Okay, so as you can see, I just cut it off and Matt had it meet there. So it's a good clean finish, and you just want to go back around the can. Just make sure they're pressed on there really tight. So you want that adhesive to stick really well. Now we'll just alternate and we'll continue our pattern. Okay, the ends are not staying like I was kind of afraid of that. So I'm just going to take a piece of Scotch tape. I have just regular Scotch tape here. And I'm just laying it, pulling it tight, and just making sure no wrinkles get in the tape. Putting it on there, smoothing it out, and you can't even tell it. So, easy fix. We have one done, and so now we'll finish the other one. I'll come back when I get all three of them done. Okay, I've got all four of them finished. Now, can you see that rim? There's a little bit of the rim left showing. And so, I've got this twine here. I'm going to just add a little glue. Gonna fix my my end to it, and then start wrapping. And I'm gonna wrap it twice. And meet up with it and glue it again right there. Now I'm just putting a dab of glue. Alright, we'll let that dry. Now before we put them together, I'm going to get a lighter and burn this excess hair off of this rope twine here. Okay, so I just have a regular lighter, and I'm just going to run it along the edge of the twine. It'll just help clean that twine up like that. It looks much better, doesn't it? Okay, now we'll take the glue gun and I will start gluing them together. So I'm going to put a generous amount. Okay, this is finished now, and as you can see, it's going to make a great desk and organizer, and it's going to be perfect for my desk. I think these tiles are just beautiful, and I think this turned out beautiful, and it's functional and cheap. The cans were free, but Dollar Tree has a lot of different tiles. You need to check them out. They're really nice. But as you can see, I've got just about everything I need on my desk. I've got it in these 4 cans, and they're just big enough to hold notepads, a stapler, and that is a full-size stapler. Calculator, scissors, hole punch, pens, pencils, eraser, whiteout, stapler remover. I think it will make a great addition to my desk. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment. Let me know if you like this. I love to hear from you all, and I do answer every comment with a reply. So please give me a shout out, and If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It really helps my channel to grow, and it's totally free. I hope y'all have a blessed evening, and good night. Goodbye for now. I want to show you what my desk little organizer right here looks like on my desk, and it's very functional. As you can see, it is totally full. So I'm very pleased with it. Have a blessed day.